Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. Making ginger garlic spicy beef. Heat your frying pan. Some vegetable cooking oil. Right away, we're gonna add in ginger and garlic. Stir until aromatic, not too brown. It will burn quick. And here, I'm gonna add in bamboo shoot, bell pepper, mushroom, those are the good ingredients for ginger garlic beef. Add a little spicy sauce, hot chili, like that. Okay, now the vegetable is hot, right? We set the vegetable on the side. And here, I got this beautiful flank steak, cross-cut, thinly sliced. I marinated 1 pound of flank steak with 1 beaten egg white and 2 to 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix it up good and drizzle some sesame oil so it's kind of shining. Separate the beef. Easier to cook, easier to brown, and will not overcook easily. So this is the perfect beef. You only need to marinate it for like 15-20 minutes, you know, just to tenderize the meat. I like to use my 2 spatulas. We don't want to cook the hot, warm vegetable and the cold meat together. We need to consistency. Keep the heat really high. Looking good? And I have some steamed rice to serve with this. Brown the beef a little to give you good taste. Make sure you cut against the grain, which is the cross cut, so it's easier to chew, so the beef will easier to, like when you bite into it, it's easy to chew and they will like separate it easier, not so rubbery, you know. Okay, here we go. What we're going to add first, my Shaoxing wine. It's a really good wine to cook stir fry. I turn the heat down a little bit because I realized that the video sometimes when the heat too hot, the sizzle too loud, you guys cannot hear me. Hoisin sauce, store-bought, okay? Little bit sweet flavor. Nice enhanced flavor. Oyster sauce, just to balance out the Chinese Asian cooking. Like 1 tablespoon of each, you know. The soy sauce is the one you have to watch because of sodium. I like to build flavor to all my recipe. You got ginger, garlic, hot sauce, and the vegetable. Bamboo shoot got good flavor. Wood ear, mushroom, bell pepper, they have good flavor. And so the soy sauce already have nice, beautiful taste flavor in my recipe. So soy sauce, I just lightly, you know, lightly, 2 to 3 teaspoons, lightly, 2 maybe. Let the beef cook through. You see the inside still pink? It's okay. The only way you can toughen the meat after cook is over high heat for too long period of time. Alright, so now, final sesame oil. Uncut cooking recipe. How long? You tell me. Oh boy, look at that. Okay, so now the beef is done, right? And I got some white rice. It's pretty warm. I'm just gonna put it right here. So the rice will suck up all the glaze, the juice from the beef, you know? Yeah. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna turn the fire off. The beef is nice and tender. Look. Oh boy. Look at the beef. Nice and tender. Mmm. Very good. Piece of white. Mmm. Delicious. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.